Greetings, Bat fans. By popular demand, here's a full how-to for my LEGO build of the first Batmobile from Detective Comics number 27 in 1939. Some say this was not a Batmobile since that term was first used in 41. It was simply referred to as a specially built high-powered auto. I still call it the first Batmobile because it was used by Batman to fight crime, and not just a standard car. While it lacked the gadgets, weapons, and fins of later Batmobiles, this one had style and a definite sense of power. When I first saw the LEGO set Penguin's Arctic Roller, I loved how they used balloon sections to create large curved fenders. While this set had 305 pieces, my mock uses just 159. It's a bit smaller and more streamlined. Except for the balloon sections, all the parts are fairly common and easy to find. You could probably bricklink it for $12 or maybe $15. So on with the build. I used 18mm wheels and 30mm solid tires. However, use whatever type you like. You want to be careful here because the front clips on the balloon pieces are easy to break and hard to replace. While the Bat Hood ornament didn't appear until the 1941 Batmobile, I still liked the way it looked, so I chose to add it. It's your choice. Here I used 8 of the 1x4 double curved slopes and 2 of the 2x2 curved slopes, because that's what I had on hand. Use all of one type or the other as you prefer. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope it helps you with your own creations. Let me know in the comments what you think. How would you improve it? What other Batmobiles would you like to see a how-to video for? Thanks for watching.